everybody. So I just realized the other day that I cannot recall the last time I trimmed my hair. I'm thinking that it was sometime earlier this year, maybe, but I really don't remember the last time I trimmed, so I'm definitely overdue. So I figured I would just go ahead and do it today since I don't have much going on today. Prime time to, you know, get my hair in order. I do always trim my hair myself, and some of you guys have asked me about my trimming routine, like what I do. So I'm just gonna go through my whole thing and show you guys what I do from start to finish. As for my hair, I did stretch it overnight. I did my usual stretch routine after I washed it, and so it's stretched, but it did shrink up a little bit in the shower just from the humidity. So what I'm gonna do is just lightly blow dry it to stretch it out some more and get it ready for straightening. I always straighten my hair before I trim it just so I can see exactly what needs to be cut. That's just like my thing, it works for me. I always trim my hair when it's straight. My process isn't too complicated, it's actually very simple. Alright, so I'm just gonna take sections of hair. It was already kind of sectioned off from when I put it in the sections after I washed it. Take a section like this, make sure it's all stretched out. It's pretty much fully detangled. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer and run it like this. I'm not going to use a brush with this. I'm just going to run the blow dryer up and down the hair while I'm holding the ends to make sure it stays stretched. Should look like that. All right, so you guys can see how much that helped to reduce that shrinkage as opposed to this side over here that kind of just drew back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that all over. Alright, so now we're all stretched out and I'm ready to go ahead and straighten. I haven't put any products in my hair yet. I only washed and conditioned when I did my washing, and I haven't put anything else in. But before I straighten, I'm going to apply some oil. I have this Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. I've never used this. I just had this in my like my products cabinet, and figured I'd just use it today, see how it goes. I didn't have any of my usual oil. I think I ran out or I lost it, I'm not sure, but I'm going to use this today. Hopefully it works, fingers crossed. So I'm going to make a part down the center because I like to straighten one side at a time. And just bun this side until I'm finished the first one. Keep that out of the way. And I usually like to start in the back and work my way forward to the front. So I'm going to divide this hair in half really quick and apply the oil. A couple drops, maybe like, I got maybe about 10 drops of oil on there. And just get my hair really good. Smells really nice and fresh. I like the way it smells. I think I could do with a little teeny bit more oil. So I'm going to take a couple more drops and just work that in. Make sure all of the hair is coated. Section off a small piece of hair. Clip the rest up. Comb it out with a wide tooth comb. Make sure no tangles are present. Then I'm going to take my flat iron. This is the Chi Air flat iron. I have it on the highest setting, which is 410 degrees. So I'm going to do one pass, one really quick pass with the flat iron, just as a preliminary pass. And then I'm going to take a rat tail comb and I'm going to do the comb chase method. So I'm going to place the comb here and then I'm going to chase that with the flat iron in one slow pass. Alright, so now we have this straightened section, and that's pretty much all I do. I just take the clip out, make another part. Make sure it's fully detangled with a wide tooth comb. Do one quick pass with the flat iron. And then I'm going to do the comb chase method by placing the small tooth comb on my hair and slowly going down that piece with the flat iron. Now as for trimming, I trim as I go along. I just find that the easiest way. So what I do is after every 2 pieces of hair that I do, I will comb them together with my wide tooth comb. Just get all the hair together and I'll go down to where it looks like the majority of the hair is getting scraggly at the ends. Just move my finger down, take my hair cutting scissors, and I'll just snip that right off. Now what I'm going to do is take this piece of hair and pin curl it to keep it out of the way. I'll wrap that around my finger and make a loop and pin that hair flat to my scalp. And that's it. Now I can take down this section and apply some oil to this. And I do the same, make small sections of hair. Detangle. One quick pass with the flat iron. And then one slow pass using the comb chase method. Alright, so my hair is all straightened and trimmed. So now I'm just going to take some edge control and put a little of this on my edges. I really love how light and flowy my hair turned out, so I'm super happy with the oil I used because that's the only thing I used in my hair aside from the edge control, of course. Alright, so I'm all done. I just went ahead and did this quick half up, half down 2-bun style. So this whole process, the straightening and the trimming part, it usually takes me about an hour to do, so it's pretty quick and it's not hard at all, as you guys just saw. So I hope this answered you guys' questions that were asking me about how I self-trim. There you go. And once all of my hair has been straightened and trimmed and I take down the pin curls, if I see that anything looks uneven, like one side doesn't match up with the other, I'll go ahead and even everything up then. But I didn't have to do that today because once I trimmed, everything looked pretty good once I took my hair all the way down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will catch up with you soon on my next video. Bye.